In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage taxonomy terms in different vocabularies on the OpenY website. So in order to get the access to the taxonomy page where you will see a list of available vocabularies, you can go to Manage, Structure, and then Taxonomy menu item. It will redirect you to the taxonomy landing page where all vocabularies are listed. So by default, we have 5 vocabularies. The first one, that's the area, then block category, color, facility type, and media tags. So area vocabulary and terms from this vocabulary are used in order to categorize different locations that are available on the website. So let's take a look at the example. We have list of terms. So you can just open this vocabulary and you will see a list of terms that we have within vocabulary. So whenever we create location, that could be branch, camp, or facility on the website, we specify the area. So let's go to locations landing page and take a look at the available YMCA branches. So all branches have areas below the branch name or camp name. That's the taxonomy term from the area vocabulary. Even more, we can click on this term and we will be redirected to the term page itself where we will see all listed content that is associated with this term. So let me show you an example how you can specify this for the specific branch. So just edit some branch or create new branch and you will see the neighborhood field. So that's the field where we specify our area term. So we can change it to something else in case if it was specified in the wrong way. And the same story for camps and facilities. So that's the first vocabulary in the OpenY. The second vocabulary is block category. So it's pretty straightforward that we are using this vocabulary and terms from this vocabulary in order to categorize different blog posts. So that's the list of terms that we have on our Sandbox website. So let's go to blog page and then take a look at the blog teasers. So almost all blog teasers have categories at the bottom of their teasers. So we see adults, community outreach, and etc. So those are blog categories. So we may click on them in order to open the blog category page itself, and we will see all blog posts that have this blog category as a selected value. Or we can go to blog page and filter blog posts by those topics. As an example, I would like to see only blog posts with the term adults, or family, or kids and teens. So no blog posts with kids and teens. That's pretty handy way to categorize our content on the website. So next vocabulary is called color. In this vocabulary, we have all colors that are being used in the color schema in the OpenY. So in case if you set up separate website for your organization, you might go here and add your own colors according to your color schema. So in order to do that, just click Add Term and you will see Form, where you can specify color name in the field name, some description that might help you to understand where is this color coming from, and you can specify the color itself. You can just select some color in this widget, or you can specify hash or RGB values. So in that case, you can specify the color itself. Once you have a list of colors in these vocabularies, you can add different components to the web page that will have controllable colors. Let's take a look at the example. So on the home page, we have banner area, and this green background is controllable. So I can go to the admin interface. For your information, that separate detailed lesson in regards to landing page builder will be in a separate video. Now we are just looking at the example where we use the color terms from the vocabulary. So header area, and we have banner. And in color field, we can specify any color from our vocabulary. In case if you add a new one, you can specify this color here. So let's change it to orange and save our page. And you may see that color has been changed for the banner. That's how color vocabularies is being used in the OpenY. And the last one, not last one, that's the facility type. For now, we are using it in the content structure. However, we do not use it somewhere in the front end, so we do not display this field. So we have this field only for facility content type, and we specify it in the facility branch field here. But for now, we do not display it, so with the future releases, we will display it on the facility page and maybe in facility teaser. And the last vocabulary, that's the media tags. So with this vocabulary, you can organize it and categorize your media files on the website. So as example, you would like to have different folders for different years, for different months, and you can do this here. Let's take a look at the example. By default, we have no items in the media tags, so let's just add a few examples. 2017, let's have it as a year, and then inside this folder we can specify and create a new term for current month. That will be August. And in relations, we can select our parent term. Then, as an example, we may go and create a new landing page where we have to upload some image. Let's say we're creating a new program. I know that we have the image field for this. Yeah, so we have image field, we click select images, or that could be select videos, or that could be select documents. And in this browser, you might browse all images, and you can filter them by media tags in this form. So in case if we're looking for 2017 or August, we can apply filter here. We do not have right now any images tagged with this media tag. Let's try to do this. I have some pictures here to upload them to the website. So I just drag them and drop to this field. There will be again separate video in regards to the media management. So I can specify August here, save image, media name is the required field, and alt text is the required field, so I fill them out, and save media. After this, let's say I would like to select an icon for program. I go here, select icon, but in all images, now I may filter my images by specific tag. Here we go. It's really handy and convenient feature when you have a lot of different assets and you can manage them and you can easily navigate and create different tags in order to make content manager's life easier. So those were all our vocabularies. Thank you very much.